Yeah. El amor que tengo para ti, yeah. Nadie compara, nena, es así. Soy tuyo y vos sos para mí, yeah. Ya pasó, casi te perdí. No quiero perderte, yeah. No quiero hacerte llorar. Ya pasamos 2 años, nena, así que te extraño. Sé que vamos a durar, yeah. El amor que tengo para ti, yeah. Nadie compara.
Welcome to another vlog. I was just at Ragamuffin Cafe and I have to give it to them. They were really good. The food was really good and the service was even better than the food. Like, they were so nice. They were so nice. They were so nice. I really liked the service. Wi-Fi was fast and the music that they played was a mixture of, I don't think I really heard any pop, but it was like alternative, but they definitely also played some reggae and a little bit of like reggae dancehall, you know, that mix. Other than that, it was really nice. I liked it. Now I'm on my way back to Portmore. I only even came into town to drop off vehicle documents to Kevin, which I did earlier. So I decided to go to the cafe, work on the video a little bit, and yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I hope you like that random video. I think I'm gonna do a next one. I don't know if this one will be another random video, but matter of fact, it will be another random weekly vlog. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna try to just be as casual and give you creative, fun editing, but at the same time give the video a little bit less structure in terms of what I do, so it can be fun and it can be engaging all around, which I think that last random weekly vlog was very fun, and it was fun to edit. So I don't like editing these parts of me talking all rambly. So guys, I just saw a subscriber, Nicole, big up yourself, on the toll. She was like, hi Bicana. Yeah, today was definitely a good day to take the toll. She's nice and she's pretty. Yeah, big up yourself, Nicole, and thank you so much. Guys, if you see me and you recognize me, just come say hi. Like, sometimes I'm having the worst days, so when you come and be like, hey, I subscribe, or hey, I watch your videos, it means the world. It means the world. May I try shut it to my house, you know. So I would love to get some drone shots over by here, Port Henderson. It's gonna have to be another day, but yeah. Mayo and I'm going out later. So stay tuned for that. Now I'm with this guy Chad. I'm with that guy Jackson. Yeah, with Kai.
I bet you're not going away later. I bet you ain't going.
You hear that talking? We don't condone that. Don't jump on him in the comments, guys. We don't condone that. But I am going to Jungle.
Some special makeup. First not applying makeup.
Yeah, them I got attack in the comments. Just kidding. This coaster bus. Anyways, let me not put people business out here. Guys, finished with Chad and Kai and Jackson. Chad is on the road and Kai is back home. So I'm actually heading back home as well. I've applied to a job and I'm sharing this only because I'll wait. I'll let you know. Once I've signed a contract, I'm gonna share it with you guys. Like, hopefully. So I'm just gonna keep applying to like as much of them as I possibly can. I'm actually on my way back home. It should probably take me another 10-15 minutes with this traffic. So I'll reach home probably around 7 o'clock. And ooh, lighting. Have to get ready, but thank God I bathed already and thank God my hair is in braids because Jody is coming to pick me up and we're going out for Cinco De Mayo. So that's really nice. I'm glad she invited me because I was trying to think of something to do, but never really did search all that well. So either way, I would have probably just been at home. I cooked food, so if anything I buy 1 or 2 drinks, but I cooked food. I will not be eating out. And thank you guys so much for the love and support on the other random weekly vlog. I guess we're gonna have another random weekly vlog, I think next week sometime. Some of them cars just drive so bad, so bad. All right, my hand is getting so tired.
10 out of 10 offer with a wonderful employer. Like, everything about it is just sounds so flavorful. Like, it's in a beautiful city. And so when I finally got this one, I was like, dang, this is why it's important to just have faith and to just wait things out.
Un ladrón se robó mi corazón. Tú no tienes sentimiento ni tampoco corazón. Ay, un ladrón.
Pressed with sleeves. Yeah. And our bags, our strappy bags. Guys, look on Jody. Jody with a good body. Whoa, okay. Guys, Jody and I are going to Janga's, and then on our way back we might see if the bar is open since it's along our walking path. But other than that, we're here for Cinco de Mayo. We're here to have fun. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more and big up yourselves.
1, 2, 3, Jungle Boy.
Un ladrón se robó a mí mi corazón. Ya no puede sentir.
Let me get you alone, let me get you alone, let me get you alone, let me get you alone,
Let me get you alone, let me get you alone, let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón. Me llamo Ladrón y Yo quiero tu corazón, corazón.
Un amor. Empecé a vivir.
Guys, there's this jerk man here and it's on a crowd. If the man is smart, then my name Bicana Brown. Because this is a smart this is the best idea because people are hungry, people are drinking, people are doing a lot of things, so I don't want to smell like too much smoke, but it's so smart. The bar not turn off yet, man. We don't have no you know. Oh, that's it.
Porque some of us understand that women speak. We no vex with her. We no vex with her. Because even though I got to you can have a
It's empty.
Guys, we have no idea where we're heading to now. But I want to try to get you as much content as I can for Cinco De Mayo and this weekend to make another random vlog. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show me say you like the video. And like I said again, I really appreciate the love from the last video. Big up yourself. Guys, technical difficulties.
Un amor. Empecé a vivir, pero por el dolor ya no puedo seguir.
Let me get you alone, don't. Let me get you alone, no. Don't. Let me get you alone, don't. Let me get you alone, no.
Don't let me get you alone, don't let me get you alone, don't let me get you alone, porque yo soy un ladrón. Ladrón.
Whoa. You came so close there, camera. Guys, can you tell that I'm tired? That my beauty rest did not go so beautiful? Because my bags are, my eye bags, sis, it is not cute. I'm actually heading into Spanish Town now. Have some things to drop off to Chad, and I want to pay my bill, my internet bill. Also have like plenty plastic bottles. Ooh, sleeping police. Plenty plastic bottles. $500 worth of water, and I'd rather do that than buy the bigger one, only because I don't know, it is just what I like. And yeah, so I'm bringing you guys along for the day. I have some outfit pictures I need to take for Shein. So I have, I think, this outfit, and then I have three or four other outfits to take. So I have everything ready for that. And what else, guys? What else do you have to do today? Edit a video, try get it up later today. I'm gonna try. Today's Friday. I'm gonna try my best. Might go out, but I've been drinking, I think, for the past week and a half, and not like drinking like a drunk, but I've been having drinks, like 1 and 2 drinks, even 1 and 2 beers, and it's not going good for me. It's not going good. So I'm going to stop and go back to my virgin drinks, because not going good. We had a mission. We have a body mission for this summer, for the wedding and for the bachelorette trip. So I have to keep up with appearances. I have to keep up with it. Anyways, I've been rambling on too long. Enjoy the next clips and like, comment, and subscribe. Alright guys, I'm here in the plaza in Spanish Town, and there's an upstairs. I didn't know there was an upstairs. I'm taking a feel of. I just have to find it though. I don't know what upstairs. I'm planning to get some drone shots, which you've probably seen by now. Where? Oh, I gotta ask the lady here. Found it. Found it. Had no idea this was up here. Did you guys know this was up here? So now I'm headed back on the other side of the plaza, and then I'm gonna head to see Chad. Yes ma'am. Look my lingerie. Yes, ma'am. Guys, let me tell you about something that happened last night that put a bad taste in my mouth. So after we're getting ready to leave the bar, I was flying my drone outside and I brought it up and I realized the camera, the actual video footage was lean. So I was like, okay, my gimbal needs to be calibrated. So I've only ever calibrated the gimbal like a couple of times, literally like 1 or 2 times before, and it only ever had me just keep it on a flat surface, and it didn't have me switch it around, move it into this and that position, etc, etc. So I had to do that. So I had to literally keep the drone flat like this, then I had to turn it on the side. Sorry. Turn it on the other side, keep it on the top, do all manner of things. And during this time, all the I can't remember what they call the specific, the legs basically were all folded in, or the wings. No, because then it's just the legs were all folded in. So a couple men, and literally a couple of them, decided to come by like when they were leaving and be like, oh, you're taking off the drone and you don't even take it open up the things. And I'm like, I'm not taking off the drone, I'm calibrating my gimbal. So, and then one man, he was like, oh, I'm just a videographer, I'm just a photographer, I don't know anything about these things, and then sped off. So I'm just like, how unnecessary, how unnecessary. And now the other guy, he thought it was funny, so he was laughing, talking about, oh, ha ha ha, you tried to take it off, you don't even have it set up right. So I'm just like, why they feel like challenging women? Why do they always feel like challenging women as if I don't know what to do? You know, it's so annoying. It's so annoying that we're always the ones being challenged. Now on a different occasion, and on tonight, I had somebody tell me, I had somebody tell me, oh, first me I see woman pilot, you know, which I don't take offense, because sometimes it really is the first time they're seeing a female drone pilot. So I'm just like, okay. But it's the fact that they didn't come with some backhanded compliments, some snarky compliments, and it's like, why? Like, you could have kept that to yourself. I'm not trying to impress you. Oh boy, sorry about that. Yeah, so it's like, I'm not trying to impress you. Like, I was doing my own little thing and you come over here and interrupt me. Like, what was your reason? What was your reason? So that was just annoying. And Ashley too. Ashley was annoyed by them. Ashley was very annoyed by them, because it seemed like them always, and she was saying, like, you guys wouldn't be saying this to a man. If you guys saw a man find a drone, you'd have said, oh, da 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 da, whatever. You would not be saying what you're saying to her to a next man. So it was very annoying. Very annoying. And it's really weird. It's like all over the world, if a man see you doing something that they don't think a woman could have done, they shocked, and it's like something, you know. So I'm just like, leave me alone, yeah. At this point, I know my capabilities, so you can leave me alone. And that was it. My hand is so tired. We're at the wharf. Rich, just kidding. Chad said he wanted a cheeseburger, so I was like, I want one too. And then I'm gonna get something to drink. So, but this is where all the magic happens, guys, when you use the shipping company that I always recommend for you to use to clear your products. That I always recommend for you to clear. I'll be right back. So now you're shy. So now you're shy. One thing with Jamaicans, guys, they are going to stare, and I am going to vlog regardless. So there's a delay in making the food. I'm just gonna have to wait a bit, probably a 10-minute wait until we get our food. I still want to get the water and some other stuff that I was meant to do today, but I'm trying to wrap up the vlog because I uploaded the previous footages. Like, I even uploaded footage from this morning and previously, and it's like a 40-something minute vlog, so I have to hurry up and wrap it up. And I keep talking, and that's my problem. I just keep talking. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more. today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers, all the mother figures, to everyone who has done something motherly for someone, regardless of if you're a mother. So thank you so much for everything that you do, and I hope you enjoy this day. And if you aren't showered with love, let me shower with you with love right now. So thank you. And yeah, it's very dark, sorry about that. I'm walking into the plaza, but I'm actually heading to the pharmacy to grab a couple cards from my grandmother to head down to Trelawney. But the pharmacy lock, everywhere in here lock, and it's 9 a.m. so, and it's Sunday, so I don't know if it's because they open at 10 a.m. or if they're just locked in general today, or I don't know. So I saw the security walk by here. I'm going to ask him why pre, and then get back to you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned. Whoa, talk about lighting. Unfortunately, the security couldn't help me. He was like, he didn't know. He said it's Sunday, they should open later on a Sunday, but other than that, he does not know. So what I'm gonna do is just drive towards country, and if anything, I just stop. I see somebody else outside. I'm gonna ask her if she knows. I'm just gonna stop in Christiana at a pharmacy there, because by the time I reach, the pharmacy should be open, and then buy the cards down there, and if anything, they're cheaper down there as well. But since people are crowded around, maybe they open at 9 a.m. I don't know. Final update before we head on the road. Actually, I have to go get gas, so you're gonna see that. As I was walking back, the people that I told you I saw, I was like, do any of you know what time they open? And the one lady was like, oh, maybe 9 o'clock. I heard it was 9. And then the other guy was like, no. And then we all, like, in unison, we're like, they should have a sign up. Like, they should have a sign telling us the hours of operation. So then we were about to walk off, and she saw someone coming. So I don't know why the money has stare upon me, just a stare on my face, so guys. Anyways, he's literally standing right, if I just turn the camera upon him, he's literally standing right in front of the vehicle. Right in front of the vehicle. Watch out. Yeah, day in the life.
Remember this face?
No, I've never met you before.
Yeah, you met me before.
No.
Stepfather. That's your mother.
What my mother name? What is my mother's name?
Shade.
Oh, sure. Did I see you at the movies a long time? Oh, okay. You always.
You remember me now?
Yeah.
You good?
Yes, I'm good. You? Let me turn off the AC. I'm good.
Watch out.
Isn't life funny? Because I recognize him after a while. After I told you guys, you watch my videos, so big up yourself. Thank you so much for watching my videos. But that last clip was just comical. That last clip was hilarious. But yeah, you see what the world will do. You see what your own memory will do to you. Your own memory will shame you on road. But I'm at the gas station now, so let me get this car ready for this lady. I'm gonna get 5,087, and while I would love to get 90, gas expensive. So when it go down a little bit, that's when I'll start getting 90 again. But yeah, that should last me going all the way to Trelawney and coming back. Even though Clarendon Park would be the perfect place to get gas, I'm just gonna get 5,087 here. That should bring me up over half tank. And then I have money for the toll, I have money for the cards. So I'm just gonna find a pharmacy, get some drone shots, and then I'll see you when I see you.
Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind. Don't want to feel you, don't want you on my mind.
And today they wanted me to buy some flowers for grandma, but like a bouquet, I didn't get the chance to stop by and get any bouquet. So as I'm driving, there's this place called Fruits and Friends, and it looks so cute. So maybe I can find something for like $500, $1,000 that I can buy her and satisfy Auntie Debbie and get something nice for grandma. So these are so pretty. Let me see what I want to get. I went along with this one and I think it's so beautiful, and I think grandma will love the color and it will last her longer than some flowers if she take care of it, which I think she will. I think she'll love it because she normally get cards. So I'm going to also send a picture to Auntie Debbie. I'm going to put my name on it as well. I'm going from Shutter and I'm just kidding, no, but for real. Yeah, so back on the road we go. I wish I could spend a longer time in country and get more content for you all, but that will definitely have to be in June, when I come back in June. My sister's bridal shower is next weekend, so I can't miss that. And then literally the weekend, I think 2 weekends after that, we're going to Mexico. So it's back to New York, New York to Mexico, then Mexico back to Jamaica, then Jamaica to hopefully a special location after, but we'll see about it. We'll see about it. My skin looking nice, if I may say so myself. But like I said, when I come back in June, I'm going to definitely get more country content. I haven't been in country. I have not been in country, other than the time me and Chad like go Portland. But you know, I talk myself country, myself my country, Warsaw. I haven't been in Warsaw. So for those of you asking about like home vlogs, home updates, house updates, building updates, I'll get that to you when we get back on the road again with those updates. So thanks for watching. Guys, look at them deciding where they're gonna cut up the road now. Okay, I actually have no idea. Maybe there was an accident, I don't know. But I have a feeling it's regarding the highway, because there's some Asian people here. Some Asian people. And you know them buy out the land and put the highway, the toll road I should say, on it. But that's what I think is going on. That's so sad. I was just thinking that yes, innovation is nice and having development is very nice, and I'm the one always preaching for development. I know it, I always am, but I'm a very realistic person as well. It's gonna destroy so much business in the areas that is cutting out. Look at what the Ochi toll did. Every now and then I might take the old road, but sometimes the condition of the road is so deplorable, and they do that as a tactic to get people to go onto the highway. But now ask me, I tell you, that's what they definitely do. And I feel like it's the same thing that they're gonna do with well, Scott's Pass and the other areas along, you know, along that route. It's really sad, and business already slow. So just imagine now the people them want to sell them orange and them apple and them Neesberry and them star apple and all them other things with them sell along the roadside. When traffic completely gone now, what's, you know, what's gonna go? Like, what go give? And I know little by little they're going to have less incentive to fix the road. And unfortunately, and this is why I feel like community members, you guys need to pull together, you guys need to rally behind your community, because unfortunately nobody's gonna really complain. Nobody in the area is going to complain about the conditions of the roads, and the roads aren't gonna get fixed, and then traffic is gonna get rerouted to the toll roads. It's so sad, but having highways, toll roads are nice because sometimes you can't deal with that. Sometimes you're in a hurry, and like I said, I get both sides, I truly do, but it's still sad. It's still very, very, very sad. Kind of put you on a fence, you know. But yeah, I just wanted to share my 2 cents. But it's interesting to see them work on that part now and see what they're gonna do. Are they gonna do an overhead? Like what are they gonna do? And it's also very sad to that the Jamaica government, like I wish the Jamaica government when it comes to real estate was more like Bali. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, do some research. Google is free. But in Bali, foreigners cannot own outright property. You can lease, and I believe that's the same in Korea. I have to do some more research, but I believe you have to, well, not the same, but very similar in Korea, very similar in most Asian countries. And this is what Jamaica should do. Jamaica is such a beautiful island, such a prosperous island with heaps of natural resources. You should make it harder, and I don't feel any way saying this, you should make it harder for foreigners, because it's so hard for locals, for people who have lived here upon generations, going way back to the 1500s, going way back. But it's so hard for them to even buy like a plot of land, to even buy something with NHTSL. So why is it so easy for foreigners? And I'm not against them, you know. I'm not against foreigners. I think it should be fair that they can lease land. They can definitely lease land, or in conjunction with someone who is Jamaican, if you get what I'm saying. I'll be in Christiana soon, so I'll see you when I get there. I'm in Christiana now, and it's a ghost town. Like, I know it's Sunday and I know it's Mother's Day, but it's after 10 o'clock now. It's after 10 o'clock, and I swear me they come up Christiana before, and at least by 10 o'clock some place open, like at least a pharmacy. Like, God forbid I'm going so I can try chef up in a them other place here, cause this not look too good for nobody, you know. It's not looking good for nobody at all. Guys, I called Anisha and asked her for some recommendations on which pharmacy might be open, because it seems like, I don't know, I just remember at least one pharmacy being open on a Sunday in Christiana. So even the man, when I went to ask him, he was like, it's because they're not seeing any returns on their money, so they can't really stay open on that day, especially when there's nobody coming. So I was like, well, geez, I'm not even one. So Anisha gave me a recommendation to this pharmacy here. It's in Spalding, and it's behind the Digicel and the, was it the Juicy? So that's where I'm going now. So guys, and I'm just coming to buy the card. So be right back. This is the flowers for grandma. She gone inside. I can bring it good here now, guys. You get Mother's Day flowers. That's right. Y'all grow full beard. Here you go.
Thank you.
You like it?
Yeah. Flowers, man. I like it.
Flowers nice and pretty, though. You have to take care of flowers, you know. Huh? Which man? Me never come with a man. Guys, we're making a quick run to Portland to deliver something. You know, if you want the delivery done, contact Chadwick. I'll also leave Dwayne's information down below if you want anything to do with shipping things to Jamaica and having them delivered. Guess who's going to the movies? I'm going to the movies with Ashley. So I'm here to pick Ashley up. She's my date. Kind of nervous. We might watch, let me pull up what we might watch. Fantastic Beasts and Fantastic Beasts, Secrets of Dumbledore. Hold on guys, I want to alright, so I found it. Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness, which honestly I don't want to watch yet, only because I feel like it's been so long since I've watched anything to do with Doctor Strange that honestly I cannot remember. Like, I cannot. The last time I watched the actual Doctor Strange movie was when it probably first came out. I overlook him in the other movies. Like, honestly, like, he was just there for 5 seconds. And then I haven't watched the new Spider-Man movie yet. Yes, judge me, like I have not. So yeah, so I'm really looking forward to watching there's also Morbius, but of course it's not in Portmore. So I'm honestly really looking forward to watching Fantastic Beasts: The Secrets of Dumbledore, but it starts at 8:45 and it's now 8:46. I'm hoping they show trailers, because that's what I really want to watch. We're here. And Ashley.
I'm Bicana, and we are at the movie theater here in Portmore. We're actually late for the movies. We don't even have no tickets or anything.
That's true.
We're going in.
But yeah, Fantastic Beasts: The Secret of Dumbledore.
Yeah. So, and I also want to see.
Whoa, Ashley! Oh, Papa Jesus!
Are we gonna get tickets, people?
No, you know what? So many nights of us missing the movies to actually be here and now not get a ticket.
This is crazy.
Guys, we just finished watching the movie and the movie was good. I'm just gonna have to rewatch it again to like the people.
Hi.
Actually seeing somebody she knows.
I know, right?
The people were, kids were crying, filming stuff on TikTok, replaying it. It was so annoying. The crowd was very, very annoying. I'm not gonna lie to you, like, it's been a long time since I've watched a movie in the movie theaters in Jamaica. I think the last time was probably 2019, 2018, one of those years. And honestly, it was one of the worst. Tonight was one of the worst experiences, only because of the people that were watching it with me, not because of anything to do with Sunshine Palace or the movie itself. Just solely like, why are you watching a movie like this and you're bringing your kids that are literally 5 years old, 4 years old? They're going to fuss. This is not the type of movie to bring your kids to. Like, bring your kids to something high energy, colorful, where you know they'll be entertained. This is not for your kids. So it was really annoying. We even had to tell people to shush. Like, we shouldn't be telling big people to shush in the movie theater. Like, why are you talking about your foot and all these other extra stuff? Like, so yeah, other than that, the movie was nice. I'm just gonna have to rewatch it again for my own peace and quiet. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I think I'm gonna end off this random weekly vlog here, and I'll see you guys in the next video.